Welcome to this video presentation here at Wimbledon Carriage Company, and here we have the Lexus RX350h on a 23 plate. So I'm going to start off firstly by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some of the controls on the inside. From the outside you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels and tinted windows. We're going to start off inside its boot space. First, the tailgate on this car will open electronically. You can do that from the key or the tailgate itself. As we approach the back of the car, you'll see we have reversing sensors and plenty of boot space as well. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car and then we'll hop in. And as I mentioned, we'll run through some of the controls on the inside of it from there. From the outside, now that we've done a full circle, you can see the alloy wheels are in pristine condition, as is the bodywork, and it's finished in a fantastic colour as well. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials first of all. On that right-hand side, we have the coolant temperature gauge and the fuel gauge. In the centre, it'll show you what gear this car is in. It's an automatic, of course. We're in park. Above that, we have a digital readout for the speedometer, and then we have the gauge that shows you how much of the hybrid power you are using, whether the battery is charging, etc. On the left-hand side, we have the trip computer, which includes the total miles for this car. They are 30,082. You can change information displayed there using buttons on the steering wheel. The buttons in question are just here. We have our stereo and phone controls as well. On the right-hand side, cruise control, speed limiter, lane departure warning system just here. And also the car is able to maintain its own distance between itself and the car in front once cruise control is set using the adaptive cruise control just here. Behind the steering wheel, the minus and plus pedal, so you can change up and down a gear manually with this automatic gearbox. Into the center, this massive screen, for reference, my hand just there. All touchscreen, of course. So along the bottom, first of all, we've got our climate control options where you can adjust the fan speed. We can adjust the driver and the passenger temperatures. We can turn our air conditioning on, and it's on right now, or off again. You can hit auto if you wish to. The car will then take full control for you to maintain the temperatures you've asked for. We've also got a heated driver's seat with 3 different heat settings, or you can put it into auto. Same over here for the passenger side as well. Above that, we then have the main unit, which is where you can access all sorts of things from the panel over on this right hand side. For example, your satellite navigation. And again, really massive display, lovely color display as well. Very, very clear, easy to use. We have our audio menu below that. Up in this corner, you can adjust your whatever it is, whatever menu you're on. So in this case, the DAB, you can adjust your preferences. You can also then access all these other ways of listening to music. So you can pair up certain Lexus friendly apps. We've got a USB input, Bluetooth audio, FM, DAB radio, all accessed via that panel. We can pair our phone, of course. We have a car menu where you can change various vehicle settings. We then have, as you can see here, a web browser, notification menu, and a settings menu at the bottom with loads of different settings available to you on there. On top of all of that, if I pop the vehicle into reverse, a nice clear color reversing camera. Working our way down, we have some vents for our air conditioning, 2 USB-C inputs. You can slide this open to give yourself some additional USB inputs, plenty of storage in that section as well. 2 cup holders in the middle. You can access your gears from here, so drive, neutral, and reverse, and then the park is on this button just here. Below that, we have an electronic handbrake with an auto hold function. If the vehicle has enough charge, you can put the vehicle in EV mode from here. We've also got different driving settings depending on where you're driving, and this one turns off your traction control. Last thing I wanted to mention is the paperwork we have for the vehicle. So in the envelope is the spare key, so 2 keys in total. We have the V5 registration document showing it's a 2-owner car from you, and then the service book here with stamps in 24, 24 and 25 as well. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, or you'd like a live bespoke video tour, please feel free to give us a call here at Wimbledon Carriage Company. We'd love to hear from you.